Hello viewers, you're welcome once again. Let's solve this very simple question. But before we continue, please like this video, share the video. Please help this channel by subscribing. Thank you very much. Let's continue. A car accelerates uniformly from rest at 5 meters per second square. Determine its speed after 10 seconds. From the question, A is equal to 5 meters per second square. Then we're also given T as 10 seconds. Then we are looking for the speed, which is x. S is equal to unknown. Sorry, V is equal to no, unknown. V is the speed. From here, we move on. The car accelerates from rest, so U is equal to 0. We are going to use this equation, U plus AT. For more information about the other equations, please watch other of our videos. There's a video where we explained the equations of motion. I will drop it in the link in the comment below. So V is equal to 0, U is 0, plus A is 5 times T is 10. Therefore, V is equal to 50 meters per second. This is the solution to the question. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.